Hey 5th grade math, welcome to pages 167 and 168. Today we're going to be talking about the topic of estimation. Okay, you guys have done this before. It's in the 3rd grade book, it's in the 4th grade book, and now it's in the 5th grade book. What is estimation? Estimation is like your más o menos, okay guys? For instance, if you're going to multiply $1.97 by 5, obviously, we do normal multiplication. That's super easy. 5 times 7, then 5 times 9, then 5 times 1. But how do you know that your answer is correct? How do you know that like something didn't happen, something crazy in your brain, and you got some crazy answer? Well, you can also look at it by estimating it quickly in your mind to say, oh yeah, that answer has sentido because it's close to the answer. So, what they're going to be doing today is teaching you how to estimate, but you have to pay close attention to the instructions on the page. Sometimes it wants you to get the real answer and the estimated answer, and sometimes it just wants the estimated answer. Because for instance, let's say that you're in Eldon's, and you have 20 lumps with you. And you want let's say 3 bags of churros, okay? You're in Eldon's, you have 20 lamps with you, you want 3 bags of churros. Every bag of churro, it costs, let's say, 6 lamps, okay? 6 lamps. So you want to know, can I buy all 3 bags? No, let's say it costs $6.3 lamps. 6.3 lamps, okay? And you want to know if you have enough for all 3 bags, right? Well, what is 6 close to, you guys? Is 6.3 close to 10 or close to 5? It's close to 5. 5 times 3 is 15, so we think you probably have enough money, right? You're not going to get out your calculator and go, okay, 6.3 times 3 is, let me see, 3 times 3 is 9. No, you're not going to do that. You're going to estimate. You're going to get close, okay? For instance, what if I say $12.83? There's chicken that costs $12.83 and you have $30. Can you buy 3 of them? Well, is $12.83 closer to, let's see, is it closer to 13 or closer to 12? It's closer to 13. What's 13 times 3? 39. So do you have enough money? Nope. We can tell it's closer to 13 because of the 83 cents. Right? Okay. So let's estimate these. $1.97 times 5. Well, $1.97, is it close? This is letter A on number 1. Is it closer to $2 or closer to $1? That's what we always look at. Closer to 2 or closer to 1? It's closer to 2, guys, because 97 cents is way above 50 cents, right? So it's closer to 2. 2 times 5 is $10. So there's your estimate. Because it says right there, estimate the answers. $1.97 times 5, the estimate is $10. Okay? Let's look at this one. $3.01 times 3, okay? $3.01, is that closer to 3 or closer to $4? Definitely closer to 3. This 1 cent is not going to make it closer to $4, right? $3. What's 3 times 3? $9 is your estimate. Okay? So go ahead and try letter C. Try letter C. 612 times 2. You have to decide, is that 612 closer to 600 or closer to 700? Go ahead and write it and then put your estimate. Okay, what did you get? 612 is closer to 600. 600 times 2 is 1,200. 1,200. There's your estimate. Okay, so you can do letter D by yourself. How do you guys know it's closer to 600, by the way? Because look at this 12. Is a 12 smaller or less than 50? It's smaller. and less, sorry, smaller or bigger than 50? Smaller. So you estimate down. Really, the only thing you have to look at, guys, is always this number right here. The number next to that one number. Okay, look right here. 1, you look over at 9, 9 is bigger than 5, so it's 2. 3, 0, 0 is way less than 5, so you keep it 3. 6, you look at the 1, 1 is way less than 5, so you keep it 6. Okay, but look at letter D. You have the 4, you look at the 9, 9 is bigger than 5, so you go up to 500, you don't say 4. Okay? Now look at letter F. Look at letter F. $103, $915, $886. Estimate the answer. Okay, 100. Is that close to 100 or close to 200? Well, look at the 0. The 0 is less than 5, so it's close to 100. It stays the same. 915. Look at the 1. So is it close to 900 or close to 1,000? 900. Because of that 1. Look at this one, 886. Look at the 8. So now is this 800 or 900? 900 because the 8 is above the 5. And then you add it to get your estimate. You do the same thing on G, you do the same thing on H, you do the same thing on I, and then look at J. Okay, let's estimate this. $5.05, is that close to 5 or close to 6? Look at the 0. 0 is less than 5, so it's close to 5. 5 divided by 5 is what, guys? $1. Okay, that's how you estimate. So look at number 2. One large box of rubber bands contains 890. Estimate the number of rubber bands in 7 large boxes. Okay, guys, so look. You have 7 large boxes. Each of these boxes has 890. 890, is that close to 900 or close to 800? It's close to 900 because of this 9 right here, right? Okay? Because the 9 is bigger than 5, so it's close to 900. So you have 900 in each of these boxes. So you're going to do 900 times what? 7. 900 times 7, that's going to give you your answer for letter A. Because it's just an estimate. Look at letter B. A bricklayer can lay 10 feet of brick per day on a certain wall of a building that he is bricking. The wall is to be 71 feet high. Okay, so you're building a wall that's 71 feet high. He can do 10 a day. How many days will it take him to build the wall? Estimate the number of days. Well, guys, 70. Is that closer to 70 or closer to 71? Is that closer to 70 or closer to 80? Look at the 1. It's closer to 70. So it's 70 divided by 10. That's how many days it's going to take you. Write down your answer. 70 divided by 10. And look at letter C. We're not going to do letter C. Don't do letter C. Cross it out. Look at number 3. Cross it out. Go to number 4. Go to number 4. Okay, it says the problem is like this. 19 times 21. They want the estimated answer and then they want the exact answer. Okay, here's the estimated answer. 19. Is that closer to 20 or closer to 10? Yeah, this one. Is it closer to 20 or closer to 10? 20 because of the 9, right? Times 21. Closer to 20 or closer to 10? Closer to 20 as well. So it's 20 times 20. 400. Okay, but now we have to find the real answer, the exact answer. So we have to go down here. 19 times 21 and multiply. 1 times 9 is 9, 1 times 1 is 1. Put your 0. 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3, so that's 993. 399, and look, 399 is close to 400, so our estimated answer was right, and so is our real answer. Okay, so that's what you're going to do for B and C. Look at number 5. No more estimating. You got to just do it. Do it correctly, but put your decimal place in the right, put your decimal point in the right place. Put your decimal point in the right place. I'll do letter 5A with you. Okay, we don't know where we're going to put that decimal point yet. Here we go. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 0 plus 5 is 5. 9 times 4 is 36. Put your 0. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. Add them up. 4, 11, 7, 7, number sign. Now count. How many numbers are after your decimal point? 1, 2. There's none down here, so just 1, 2. So you go 1, 2, point. There's your answer. Okay, make sure you do that for all of them. Okay, do we remember how to do number 6, letter A, letter B, and letter C? I believe you remember letter A and letter B, but look at letter C. Okay, what's the 6 doing to the X? Dividing, what's the opposite of dividing? Multiplying, so X equals what? 18 times 6. That's going to be your answer right there, okay? Look at number 7. Don't do number 7. Don't do number 7. And you're done for today. If you guys have any questions about estimating, if you have any questions about the review stuff, you just let me know. And I will see you tomorrow. I will see you Monday. Have a great weekend.